Hello everyone, my name is Amelia Khoenisa and today I would like to present a summary of a research article in chemistry education. The title of the article is Inquiry-Based E-Module with an ethno-STEM approach to develop sustainable environmental literacy skills, written by Medya Sasmita Sudarmin, Agung Triprasetya, and Haniza Hanim binti Muhammad Zaim. This article was published in Journal Tadris Kimia in 224. The purpose of this presentation is to explain the key points of the article, including the background, research method, findings, and conclusions. The study addresses the problem of limited environmental literacy practice in higher education, especially in chemistry education. According to the authors, previous studies have shown that students lack critical thinking, awareness, and behavior related to environmental sustainability. The main research question is how to develop a teaching material that not only teaches chemistry but also promotes sustainable behavior using local culture. The purpose of this research is to design and test an e-module that integrates inquiry-based learning and ethno-STEM to improve students' environmental literacy. The research used a research and development or R&D approach with the 4D models: define, design, develop, and disseminate. The participants in this study were 24 students for small-scale trial and 46 chemistry education students for large-scale testing. Data were collected using interview, validation sheets, questionnaires, and environmental literacy tests. The procedure involved collecting local knowledge about coffee and tea plants through interview, conducting laboratory tests on volatile compounds, developing an e-module based on this data, validating the module, and testing it with students. The main findings of the study were that the e-module was considered very valid by experts with scores of 82.5% for content and 93.25% for media. The authors found that students show high scores in environmental literacy, knowledge, attitude, cognitive skill, and behavior. These results suggest that integrating local wisdom into chemistry learning can make lessons more meaningful and effective. In the discussion, the research explained that ethno-STEM helps students connect scientific concepts with their everyday lives and cultural practice. It also increases engagement and motivation in learning. In conclusion, the study showed that the ethno-STEM based inquiry e-module is a valid and effective teaching tool. The authors highlight the importance of combining science education with local culture to promote sustainable behavior. This research contributes to chemistry education by showing how culturally relevant material can improve both understanding and environmental responsibility. To summarize, this article provides useful insight into how an e-module with inquiry and ethno-STEM element can support environmental literacy in chemistry learning. The findings can be applied to develop similar teaching tools in other science subjects and in other local contexts. Thank you very much for your attention, and I hope this presentation was informative. Thank you.